Yeah, hi ma'am. So it was actually great connecting with you all on this report, and I find it fairly accurate. Like it is an accurate reflection of my abilities as far as I understand. And yeah, and the counseling session was also good. I got to know the, like, especially my weaknesses. I got to know what are they, and it gives me an opportunity to work on them so that I can improve them, and it doesn't act as an hindrance in achieving my goals in long term. And yeah, apart from that, yeah, it was great connecting with you all.
Okay, okay. Very good. We wish. What are you doing now, Apurva?
I
What are you
am.
studying and what is your experience and what is your next?
Yeah, so I have completed my engineering, and I have a work ex of about 4 years with Accenture, and currently in my last employment with Accenture, I was working as a senior analyst for Bank of America, and now I have quit my job and I'll be pursuing higher studies. So I'll be pursuing an MBA in Global Supply Chain Management from Indian Institute of Management, Udaipur, and I'm keen on building my future in the management domain.
Okay. In the career options, we also got to see your management abilities are very good and you got 5 stars. So
Yeah,
so you
yeah,
can really work on it and you can get excellence in your work also, because the report also recommends the same thing and you have chosen that same
yeah,
management IAM MBA in IAM, right?
yeah.
Yes. We wish you all the best and do well